Ever found yourself in a bit of a pickle, needing cash but nowhere near a Lloyds Bank branch or ATM? Perhaps you're out in the countryside, enjoying a peaceful escape, or maybe your local branch has just shut its doors for the day. We've all been there, wondering what our options are when access to our usual banking facilities isn't quite as straightforward as we'd like. It's in these moments that a common question often pops into mind, a question that could be a real lifesaver. Can you actually withdraw money from your Lloyds Bank account at the post office? It's a fantastic question, and one that taps into the convenience and accessibility that many of us crave from our financial services. For decades, the post office has been a cornerstone of communities across the UK, offering a surprising range of services far beyond just sending letters and parcels. They've evolved into a vital hub for many everyday tasks, including an increasing number of banking transactions. And that brings us right back to Lloyds Bank. So, let's cut to the chase and answer that burning question. The good news is, yes, you absolutely can withdraw money from your Lloyds Bank account at the post office. This is thanks to a long-standing partnership between Lloyds Bank and the post office, designed to provide greater access to banking services, particularly in areas where bank branches might be few and far between. It's a fantastic example of how traditional institutions are adapting to meet the changing needs of their customers. Now, how exactly does this work? It's surprisingly simple. All you need is your Lloyds Bank debit card and your PIN. When you head to any post office branch that offers banking services, and most do, you can approach the counter and request a cash withdrawal, just as you would at a Lloyds Bank counter or ATM. The transaction is processed securely through the post office's system, and the funds are debited directly from your Lloyds Bank account. There are a few key benefits to this arrangement that are worth highlighting. Firstly, convenience. With over 11,500 post office branches across the UK, there's likely one much closer to you than a dedicated Lloyds Bank branch, especially if you live in a rural area or a smaller town. Secondly, extended hours. Many post offices have longer opening hours than traditional banks, including Saturdays, which can be incredibly useful for those with busy schedules. Thirdly, it offers a crucial lifeline for those who prefer to do their banking in person or who might not be comfortable using ATMs or online banking. While it's incredibly convenient, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. There might be daily withdrawal limits set by Lloyds Bank, similar to ATM limits, so it's always a good idea to check with Lloyds directly if you plan on making a large withdrawal. Also, it's always wise to ensure the post office branch you're visiting offers banking services, although as mentioned, the vast majority do. This partnership is a testament to the ongoing effort to make banking more accessible and less of a chore. It provides a flexible and reliable alternative for accessing your funds, giving you peace of mind whether you're at home or on the go. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.